Hi everyone, my name is Mukta and I am Student Recruitment Manager at Navitas representing 4 Canadian institutions. We have Fraser International College, which is direct pathway to Simon Fraser University. Then the next one is International College of Manitoba with the direct pathway option to University of Manitoba. Apart from this, we have Wilfrid Laurier International College, which is direct pathway to Wilfrid Laurier University. And last but not the least, we have Toronto Metropolitan University International College with the direct pathway option to Toronto Metropolitan University. In all these institutions, we have variety of courses available for the students who are seeking for undergraduate admissions. We have courses in arts, hospitality, creative industries, social sciences, environmental sciences, engineering, business studies, user experience design, and many more. If you want to know more about the institution, its location, and about the tuition fees we have, the scholarship options, the co-op options, you can come and meet me directly on desk number 12 at Canam Consultants Education Fair, which are being organized from 5th of April to 20th of April. For booking this slot and meeting me directly at table number 12, you had to take help of Canam Consultants Counselor, as they are the right person to guide you about your career destinations. They are one of our most trusted partners for long, and they have been guiding students about their careers, the right choices, and right institutions. So stay tuned and meet me live at the education fair. Thank you.